Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to reset MacBook. So if you are using MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, this will matter with work in every MacBook. So if you want to reset your MacBook, what you have to do, first of all I am going to show you that this is the latest version of macOS. Okay, so here you will see, when you click on this general setting, here you will see about, go into about, and here you will see MacBook OS venture 13.1. so this is the latest version. Now I am going to show you how to reset it. So what you have to do, you have to click on this Apple icon, and here you will see system setting. Click on this system setting, and here you will see general option. Just click on this general option. Now here you will see transfer and reset. Click on it, and here you will see erase all content and setting. Click on it, and here you have to enter your MacBook password. So I am going to enter it. Now here you will see Touch ID and accessories. All Bluetooth accessories will be unpaired. All fingerprints used for unlocking this Mac and purchase will be removed. So if you wish to continue, just click on this continue button. And now here you will see erase all content and setting. You are about to erase all content and setting for this Mac. Now click on erase all content. So when you click on erase all content, you have to wait for few seconds, and you will see that you have reset your MacBook Pro. So wait for few minutes. Now you will see that my MacBook has been turned off automatically, and you will see that it is restarting. So wait for a few seconds. Now this is resetting. Your MacBook is resetting like this. It will take at least 2 minutes or 3 minutes to reset. So now you will see that activate Mac, select Wi-Fi network in the menu and attach a network cable to proceed. Now I have to select it to the Wi-Fi. Wait for it. Now I have connected to the now what you have to do, just click on activate Mac. Now you will see that like this. Now wait for a few seconds. My Mac is activating. Here you will see here your Mac is activated. It will be start in 51 seconds. Now just click on this restart button. Now it is restarting again. Now here you will see that my MacBook has been reset. So like this you can reset MacBook in. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.